Haley has some new pajamas. Right now she's drinking out of her her sippy cup, but she wanted to show off her pajamas for you. Haley. Haley, who's this?
Haley.
Elmo? You say hi to Elmo? Here's a ball for Haley. Oh, there's a goldfish on the floor. Haley, we're trying to talk to you. Your back is to us. Haley. Hi. How big is Haley? How big is Haley? None of my business. Alright, we got the cat bite on tape, and now we got the choking on tape. Lovely. I think the batteries are about to run out, so we're going to say bye-bye. Haley, can you say bye-bye? Bye, Elmo. I guess she's ignoring us to talk to Elmo. Are you trying to feed Elmo? She's putting Elmo's head in her snack trap. Yummy. All right, Haley. Bye-bye. Bye, Haley.